Today we're going to be barbecuing some chicken, and we're making an Alabama white barbecue sauce. It is so good, you guys. Let me show you how to do it. We're getting ready to do some grilling, and I thought I'd share this unusual barbecue sauce. It's Big Bob Gibson's Copycat barbecue white sauce. You have 2 cups of mayo. You add 1 cup of vinegar and a half a cup of apple juice, half a cup of apple juice, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne. I'm using red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of a prepared horseradish. I know it sounds weird. And then finally, I'm going to juice half a lemon. Add that to it. We'll get this all mixed together. I think this originates in Alabama white sauce. But I had this at a barbecue a couple years ago and begged. I begged the pitmaster for the recipe, and it was probably 6 months later he sent it to me. So I'm excited to use this for Father's Day this year. Now I'm going to separate this in half, and I'll use half to serve with the barbecue chicken, and I'll use the other half to baste the chicken as it cooks on the grill. We're just grilling up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and this is going to be excellent. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I just put them in these 2-cup containers. So we'll put one in the refrigerator to serve with it, and the other one we'll use when we're barbecuing the chicken. Just keep basting it, basting it, basting it. We got some chicken on the grill. We're just going to start basting it with this sauce. Just over and over and over again. So this is what the chicken's going to look like. And we're serving it with some watermelon, some cream corn, baked beans. I have a recipe for that on my channel. I'll link it. Some macaroni and cheese. And you can just take some of that reserved sauce and drizzle it on top. And it's delicious. All right. I hope you guys have a happy Father's Day.